Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison between two popular drones in the market. In one corner, we have the Holy Stone HS190, and in the other corner, we have the Force1 Scoot hand-operated drone. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive into the features and see which one comes out on top. Starting with the design and ease of use, both drones have their unique features. The Holy Stone HS190 is compact and foldable, making it incredibly portable. It easily fits into your pocket or bag, making it perfect for on-the-go adventures. On the other hand, the Force1 Scoot hand-operated drone has a webbed shell design that protects both the drone and any objects it might come in contact with. This drone is also equipped with smart obstacle avoidance motion sensors, allowing you to guide its flight with your hand. When it comes to flight performance, both drones offer impressive features. The Holy Stone HS190 features a one-click takeoff and landing function, perfect for beginners and kids. It also has a 3D flips function, adding an extra layer of excitement to the flying experience. The Force1 Scoot hand-operated drone, on the other hand, boasts vibrant LED lights that light up the sky with every flight. It's a truly mesmerizing sight to behold. Safety is always a top priority, especially when it comes to drones. The Holy Stone HS190 prioritizes safety with its isolated propellers and protection guard. This design protects kids from spinning propellers and reduces the risk of injury. Additionally, it has an emergency stop function that immediately lands the drone, further minimizing potential risks. The Force1 Scoot hand-operated drone also has a webbed shell design that protects both the drone and any objects it might come in contact with. Now let's talk about the price. The Holy Stone HS190 is priced at $0, making it an affordable option for those on a budget. On the other hand, the Force1 Scoot hand-operated drone is priced at $39. Both drones offer great value for their respective price points, so it ultimately comes down to personal preference and budget. Based on online reviews, the Holy Stone HS190 is praised for its ease of use, durability, and good battery life. It is recommended for indoor flying and is considered a good drone for beginners. On the other hand, the Force1 Scoot hand-operated drone is appreciated for its cool lights, flip feature, and responsive control. It is suitable for young kids but has a shorter flight time. Overall, both drones have positive reviews and offer unique features. And there you have it, the comparison between the Holy Stone hydrogen sulfide and the Force1 Scoot hand-operated drone. While the Force1 Scoot hand-operated drone takes the lead in design and ease of use, both drones offer impressive flight performance and safety features. Ultimately, the choice comes down to your specific needs and preferences. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for more information on these products. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next video.